Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on good study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 餐具，餐具。餐桌，餐桌。桌布，桌布。餐巾，餐巾。纸巾，纸巾。餐刀，餐刀。叉子，叉子。勺子，勺子。汤勺，汤勺。咖啡勺，咖啡勺。筷子，筷子。盘子，盘子。碗，碗。小碟子，小碟子。杯子，杯子。咖啡壶，咖啡壶。咖啡杯，咖啡杯。茶壶，茶壶。茶杯，茶杯。玻璃杯，玻璃杯。红酒杯，红酒杯。红酒开瓶器，红酒开瓶器。啤酒开瓶器，啤酒开瓶器。便当盒，便当盒。牙签，牙签。测验。A. 勺子 B. 叉子 C. 餐刀。这是什么？ A. 玻璃杯 B. 碗 C 餐巾这是 A 盘子 B 杯子 C 筷子 Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。